Welcome to EBVTR, where we are going to talk about the business of cooking, turning your passion into a career. Are you a home baker, restaurant owner, or a baker looking to take your career to the next level? Do you want to earn more money and explore new opportunities in the industry? Then, this video is for you. I'm not just talking about baking. I mean any kind of cooking, from home baking to restaurant cooking. If you're an owner or chef at a restaurant, home baker, or just someone who's always wanted to learn more about cooking and baking but didn't know where to start, I have some great news. You can start right now. Here at EBVTR, we believe that passion is the most important thing in a career. We know that your passion for baking doesn't have to be limited to just making a few pieces of bread on Sundays. It can be the basis for a whole new career path. All it takes is a little bit of hard work and dedication. What's more, the knowledge you'll gain from learning the business side of cooking will help you open up new opportunities in other fields too. So if you're thinking about starting your own business, be sure to check out our website and learn more about how you can join us. We have many opportunities available for people who are interested in learning more about how they can turn their passion for baking into a business.